Imagine you're building an app that writes code, tests it, and then deploys it. Today, we're talking about sequencing multiple agents with non-overlapping jobs. If you just throw 3 AI agents in a room and tell them to build software, they'll trip over each other. You end up paying for triple the API calls and getting half the quality. Think about a movie set. On the left, you have the lighting crew setting up the big lamps. On the right, the sound guy is holding the boom mic. The sound guy never grabs a light stand. The camera operator never touches the audio mixer. They wait for their exact cue, do their one specific job, and then step back. In AI, we call this Sequential Agent Routing. It just means passing a task down a strict line of specialized workers. It's basically an assembly line where every robot only knows how to turn one specific screw. First, the lighting crew sets the mood. They pass the lit scene to the camera team, who then pass it to sound. The camera doesn't roll until the lights are on. The sound guy doesn't record until the camera is rolling. The magic happens in the handoff. Nobody starts working until the previous person finishes their exact piece. The movie set metaphor breaks down in one big way, though. Real film crews are limited by physical space. AI agents are limited by memory. If you give an agent too much history, it forgets the original prompt. So we chop the work into tiny isolated steps to save memory. Let's say you're building a refund bot. Agent A reads the angry email and extracts the order number. Agent B takes that number and checks the database. Agent B doesn't need to read the angry email. It just needs a 6-digit order number from Agent A. By keeping their jobs totally separate, Agent B doesn't get confused by the customer's angry tone. Your first move is drawing hard borders. Write down exactly what data Agent A is allowed to see and what it must ignore. Your second move is building a standard handoff format. Make sure Agent A always outputs a clean file that Agent B can easily read. When the inputs and outputs are perfectly matched, your pipeline stops breaking on random edge cases. Good sequencing isn't about making agents smarter. It's about giving them less to think about. Keep their jobs small, their handoffs clean, and your costs way down. That's it for sequencing. Next up, we'll look at running agents in parallel. See you there.